Hello, I'm Kostas again. Welcome to Holiday Rentals apartment number 3 at Dafni. There is this beautiful apartment. Here's the living room. It's about 100 meters from the metro station of Dafni. And can sleep about 3 or 4 adults. It's very comfortable. It's very sunny, as you see. It's very nice. Here's the kitchen. Here's the table. Now we're going to take a look at the bathroom. Here's the washing machine. Sorry for that. Here's the tub. Also a little window here. And here's the bedroom. Very nice bedroom. We have here a big closet. It's in a very quiet. It's central, but it's also very quiet. As you see, there is no noisy. It's not a noisy road here. It's very nice, very quiet, but it's also very central. It's perfect for your vacation in Athens, for short or long term. And there is also a garage if you have a car. Thank you very much.